up, YouTube? Thought I'd take you guys on a job today. I've been sick for a while now, and the guys have been carrying the whole operation. Damien, Jeff, and Adam, and Corey running the tree service, and Evan has been running the Monkey Beaver store for me. I've been wiped out, but I'm better. That was quite a vision quest. It was that one real popular one that people get where they lose their taste and smell and stuff. So a little bit of changes since then, but hey, in good shape now, and today's my first day back to work. So I'm gonna just climb a fir tree. The bucket truck's busy. Jeff's using the bucket truck, so me and Damien will climb a couple that we could just wait for the bucket truck to do everything, but we could also be done with these and get a lot better production by doing some climbing simultaneous with the bucket. Woo. Okay.
Let me re-add, make sure here.
Good job on the bid. Do you have anything to say to YouTube while you're here?
It's gonna be a really good day, YouTube. I got a fir tree with my name on it, and I want to cut something, so we got August, so that's fun. I'm
using the little Echo today because I've lost a lot of muscle tone by being sick, and I don't want to carry the battery saw. I don't want to carry.
And it's not fire season anymore either, so it's not like.
Yeah. There's a wire fence right there, and I don't want to squish it. Some of these limbs, they're really popping. Like this one, I don't know if I can cut into the trunk enough to get it to hinge. I think I'll go up to the top. I have some long limbs that are gonna pop and hit the fence down there, and it's so tempting to just try to somehow make it work, but I know that I'm gonna sweep the fence, and so I'm gonna go up to the top and set a rigging line, and then I'll be nice and tied in for myself up there the whole time. Plus I'll have a rigging line, and I'll be able to run the rope with my left hand and the saw with my right, and take these long limbs and just sweep them out to the left. So that's the update. That's all we're doing, which is same old thing. Find a way to do it semi quickly without hurting the neighbor. Without hurting the client's property. After all, why'd they call you? They didn't call you to break stuff, right? So YouTube, this is my rigging line here, and I'm going over 2 limbs here, and this will go down to the rigged pieces, and I'll run the other end in my left hand so that Adam has his hands free down there. Oh, nice. Nothing like a knot in the middle of your 200-foot rope to make you look uncool. Gotta do your curls every day. Do your curls.
So check it out, you guys. I'm over here trying to be as good of a groundsman as Adam is. And I stumble across this little branch. And what you can tell here is that he was trying to get it to not peel. So he cut it on the bottom, he cut it on the left side, he cut it on the right side, so they can't strip down the sides and peel. He just wanted it to fall flat, and then he finished it off on the top. So you've got this little bit of a post in the middle of holding just enough to where everything's severed off 360 degrees around the branch, and all it can really do is pop and fall flat. Hopefully I explained that as good as August would have. Maybe he'll re-explain.
Right above you, Adam. Right here like this, but if I do the rigging, I can swing them around like this. That misses the fence, and it leaves Adam hands free the whole time. tip hit out there, if I had let that hit from, you know, from where it stuck out farther and landed flat, it would have jarred it. It ain't the same recipe for every limb.
Alright YouTube, we're down to our top here. Got a tiny bit of back weight with this one limb, but I don't think it's going to be an issue. I'm going to push it out this way, and we're going to rig it off of August's spar. And August is hiding back there, not because he's shy, but because we want to keep him safe.
What's up? If you got slings, we'll clear the fence and speed line them out faster. So YouTube, check it out. Both of these I can manhandle, but it's so much easier and less stress to put the sling on it. And it's probably faster even. Like, watch, I'll manhandle one of them and then I'll speed line the other. you compare those. Compare that last one to this one. All right. So I never had to drop the saw. I don't know. It's just nice. Speed lighting is nice.
Well, that'll probably work.
Quit!
We'll just show you on a bar. That'll do. Alright, YouTube, you guys still in one piece? Jeez, I didn't know August was gonna send you off the top like that. I probably would have rigged you guys down just to make it a little more gentle for you, but August tends to think that you guys like the wild ride. There he is, moving on to the next part. He's about to start chunking. See you guys, I mean, I just picked you up and he's already got the next piece coming out.
Look at this clearance. Thought goes into that, YouTube.
Monkey people done